Hi everybody, my name is Neven Markovic. At the beginning, we'll try to define invention or innovation. There are of course many definitions, but I have chosen two of them, which I think could help us to understand the topic of this lecture. So innovation is application of knowledge and ideas for the creation of new products, services, processes, and it brings commercial and social value. This is a key condition. Innovation is the result of the research and development process. There is a big difference between idea and innovation. Idea is the first step, of course, it is the key step, but there are a lot of things inventor has to do to make invention based on its idea, and it depends of his professional abilities. Idea could not be protected, sold and commercialized. So if a creative person wants to deal with inventions, his first duty, and it has to be his duty, is to bring idea to the level of invention. It is not very easy, but it is just a necessary step. After becoming an innovation, then this another long and difficult process of marketing invention starts. And at the very beginning, I have to emphasize how important is social support to inventors given by his company, his university, or his country to help him to deal with all those problems. Innovating is a natural process suitable for any company or institution, regardless of the business it is entered in, age, size, or location. Innovation shapes the world. Innovation is the raw material on which the future depends. It is important to create an environment in which innovation is supported and awarded. As I said a minute ago, this environment has to be made based on any kind of social support inventor really truly needs. The role of invention is today's world really very important, and the growth of a national or regional economy very much depends on the position of invention as a condition for survival, growth, and development of each economy. The very big problem dealing with invention and all other kind of creativity is that invention could not be planned. Inspiration is a key question, and inspiration, of course, it's impossible to plan, and it depends on creative abilities of each individual. There are a lot of innovation activities, such as creation of conditions that will encourage inventive activities of all employees. Again, very important. Support. Also provide special ways of support for scientific research, evaluation of any activity that will contribute to the increased productivity, because each individual dealing with inventions has to be stimulated and awarded for his process, and also professional selection of new solutions, let's say, at the end. Main condition for inventions are readiness to readiness to reconsider old generally accepted beliefs, renunciation of habit-based strategies, and involvement of all employees into the inventive process. Developed economies paid a lot of attention to encourage their inhabitants to be creative and also to support inventions and award and encourage at all possible ways all their creative employees or inhabitants.